I know how to make a way better PayPal.
Because you built PayPal.
Yeah, yeah, pretty much. I mean, with a lot of other people, but there's a product plan I wrote, which I wish I'd kept a copy of in July of 2000, where I thought it would be possible to make the most valuable financial institution in the world. And we're going to execute that plan from 22 years ago, which amazingly no one has done. And so I think that's part of why I think Twitter will be ultimately extremely valuable, because I'm going to execute the X.com game plan from 22 years ago.
Could Twitter become the next big player in the financial world? That's the question on many people's minds after CEO Elon Musk floated the idea of launching a payments and banking service on the platform. During a recent Twitter Spaces audio broadcast, Musk outlined his plans for monetizing the platform and offering more financial services to users. He proposed a system where verified users who pay a monthly subscription fee would be able to send and receive payments within Twitter, and potentially even transfer their balances to bank accounts. This would give Twitter a new source of revenue and provide a more seamless and integrated experience for users. As we all know, Elon Musk is not a charity. He's a businessman, and he bought Twitter to make a big gain. But that's not all. Musk also mentioned the possibility of offering a compelling money market account that would allow users to earn high yields on their balances. And in the future, he envisions adding even more financial features like debit cards and checks. With these features, Twitter could potentially become a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. So, could this become a reality? While Musk has a track record of disrupting traditional industries and launching successful ventures, there are still many questions surrounding the feasibility of a bank of Twitter. One major concern is trust. Social media platforms, including Twitter, have struggled to gain the same level of trust as traditional banking institutions. In a fall 2022 survey by Morning Consult, only 34% of respondents said they trust social media, compared to 61% who trust traditional banking institutions. This could be a major hurdle for Twitter to overcome in convincing users to trust it with their financial transactions. Additionally, even if Musk does have the technical ability to launch a payment service, it's not a given that it will be successful. Twitter would be entering a crowded and competitive market, and would need to overcome the challenges of being a late entrant. Plus, with the platform's history of misinformation and bots, it's not clear if the public would trust it to handle their financial transactions. Some experts have even suggested that a Twitter payment service could easily become a haven for fraudsters. Despite these concerns, not everyone is skeptical about the potential for a bank of Twitter. Payments consultant Richard Crone, head of Crone Consulting, sees huge potential if Musk enters the payment space with Twitter. Some have even speculated that Musk may have designs on competing with the likes of Apple Card and the multiple products that it has branched into. So what do we know about Musk's plan for Twitter in the payments and banking space? Unfortunately, not much. In a town hall meeting with Twitter staff, Musk provided a rough sketch of his ideas, but did not disclose a detailed blueprint. According to a leaked transcript of the event obtained by The Verge, Musk spoke of a structure in which every verified Twitter user would receive a small amount of money each month, which they could then use to pay other verified users or transfer to their bank accounts. However, it's not clear how this would be funded or how it would differ from existing payment platforms like Venmo or PayPal. Despite the lack of details, it's clear that Musk is serious about making Twitter a more financially focused platform. Whether or not he can successfully launch a payments and banking service remains to be seen, but it's definitely an idea worth keeping an eye on.